What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to expose the real reason why traders are losing money in this market and show you exactly how I built my entire portfolio by doing the complete opposite of what most people are doing. I made hundreds of thousands of dollars just from deving meme coins on chain, and I completely stopped trading because of this. Deving is the best way to make money in this market because you have nothing to lose. So without further ado bro, watch me expose my entire strategy right now. By the way, look at my crypto wallet. I made this entire amount completely from deving meme coins on chain. So I know that I am the best on YouTube that can explain to you guys exactly how to dev. I have the best strategy, you guys will see. Now here's something nobody talks about openly, okay, or most people are gatekeeping. First of all, every meme coin that launches on chain has a creator behind it. You guys need to understand that concept, and it's pretty simple, it's pretty logical bro. Every single coin has a dev behind it that is launching the coin, and that creator is positioned to profit no matter what happens after launch. They earn fees on every single transaction coming in, and they hold supply from the fucking start so that they automatically make money when buyers buy the coin, okay? And at any given time they want bro, the dev can dump on you, okay? They can remove their supply, cash out their profits, and then they can just walk away with thousands of dollars, and all the traders becomes losers. And to be honest bro, I was a trader too, and I was personally burning through thousands of dollars trading meme coins hoping to make a quick profit. So I stopped until I realized this truth. Now I became a dev, and now I'm making around 5k a day purely just from deving meme coins on chain using viral narratives, okay? Now look, the moment I switched to deving, literally everything changed. Same market, same coin, same activity, just a completely different POV of the whole game. This video is the full breakdown of how I do it. Free on camera, no course, no paid group, nothing held back. If trading hasn't been delivering the results you expected, what I'm about to show you is going to reframe this entire space, okay? And you might become profitable after this video bro, who knows? Let me show you how to dev with a quick example at the end of the video. And by the way bro, this entire video does not constitute any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, I'm just here to show you how it's done. That's it. The results will vary for everyone, so do your own research. Yeah! When traders decide to make the switch to deving, Pump.Fun is always the first place they go. It's the most fucking popular platform to dev meme coins, it feels familiar, and the process for launching a coin is pretty simple. But there's a major issue with this platform. The platform is completely oversaturated. The volume of these tokens launching daily is impossible to compete with organically. As you guys can see, okay, there's just hundreds of coins launching every single minute, okay? So if your coin goes live, it will basically get buried within seconds. No one will see it, and yeah, no one will buy it. You guys need to understand that the meme coin market is a attention based market, and launching on Pump.Fun will get you no attention at all. It's over competitive. On top of that, Pump.Fun takes a percentage of your creator fees, and they maintain control over your liquidity pool. For someone making the switch to deving bro, I would not recommend launching on Pump.Fun. Instead, I would recommend to launch in the migrate section, also known as the Raydium DEX. Why? Because on Raydium bro, all the traders genuinely have more buying power, they're more active, and when your coin goes to Raydium bro, it gains more credibility and it feels safer for all the traders looking to buy the coin. And in general bro, it has way more volume than Pump.Fun, and that's why I launched my meme coins in the Raydium DEX, okay? Now look, to get your meme coin on Raydium bro, do not use Pump.Fun because your coin will have to go through a migration price of $34.5 thousand. Instead, use the platform Create Meme.io. It's the best, gatekept deving website out now because every single coin goes to Raydium immediately. It skips the entire bonding curve of Pump.Fun and it goes to Raydium, reaching thousands of people to potentially buy your coin. That's why I dev here. Now you have multiple ways to make a coin on create meme.io. You could either create a whole new coin from scratch, you can copy a coin, or you can turn tweets into coins immediately, okay? All these tweets are going viral at the moment, but my personal strategy is the vamping method, also known as the copy trending coins tab. Basically all these coins are all going viral and you just have to copy one back to Raydium using that viral narrative, okay? All these coins are proven to attract buyers, they all have a good community, they all have just proof of concept to go viral, so we will be using one of these narratives to make a coin and then make money potentially from the Raydium decks. I will show you how. Alright, now let's make some profits, okay? Let's dev a coin live and see how much we can make possibly, okay? So make sure to keep your attention on screen and just take notes if you want. Now look, connect your Phantom wallet, click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna be copying the manifest coin. Click on copy to Raydium right, your Phantom wallet will show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, and then click on confirm and then the coin will be copied. Just give it some time for it to load in. Come on. Boom. And if I go in scan, you guys can see that it's on chain, it's minted, everything is legit on the site. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create our Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, the funds and the supply can be allocated, okay, and people can buy your coin officially in the Raydium decks. It's basically like the backbone of your coin. Now look, for the amount of coins, just put 90%. This is what I usually do for all my launches. Right under for the amount of soul to pair, here is where you will be exchanging some of your soul for some supply. Like that, you have supply as a dev and you can make money from your coin obviously. Here I would recommend anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 soul. I'm going to put 0.3. You are not losing this, you can get this back at any given moment. At the end of the launch, once you exit, you are going to get this back. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up in a couple of seconds. Oh shit. Hello? What the fuck? And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, and then click on confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the manifest coin is now live and your P&L is going to show up right there. And if you click on the refresh button to see how much you're up or the entire page, it's up to you. Well, as you guys can see, we're up $163. This is our P&L. People are buying in right now as we speak. Now go on your trading platform to see the chart, okay? It should be live in a couple of seconds. Let me just refresh this real quick, okay? It's live. The coin is live, okay? As you guys can see, we're at the 2K market cap, 1.2K liquidity. Things are looking good. And if you want, bro, you can trade your own coin, okay? At the same time. So for example, dude, why is the fucking chart bugged, bro? Like, dude, the chart is bugged. You guys can trade your coin at the same time as deving. So for example, here I'm going to wait on the dip. I'm going to buy in for 2 soul. Okay, we could catch a quick scalp while deving meme coins on our own coin. And the crazy part is that, bro, this coin costed us $0 to create because it costs nothing to launch a coin. And that's the simple fact of deving, bro. You have nothing to lose, and that's exactly why I love fucking deving coins, okay? More and more people are going to fucking ape in. I think we're already up like $1,000 from deving. I'm gonna buy in right here, 2 soul. We're in for 2 soul. Let's see what we could make out of this 2 soul from deving, from trading, my bad. And I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up. When I come back, bro, I'm going to show you exactly how to cash out on your coin. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 6k market cap, 2.2k liquidity, right? And on our trade we're only up 10%. I mean, we could still, oh shit, I have to sell right now. Yeah, I sold for break even, but that does not matter, okay? The whole point of this video is deving. Now look, to cash out on your supply and on your deving side, right, come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, we're up 2.2 bands in profits. That is absolutely insane, bro. Click on the minus button quickly, 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up. Come on, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how we made money from deving, bro. And look, in my phantom wallet, bang, we received the entire payout, 2.2 bands in Solana, instantly cashed in your phantom wallet. And then, bro, you can do that over and over again, okay? There's no limits to how many coins you can launch. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below, or just go on Google and type in create meme.io. Like and subscribe, join my Discord, and stay consistent. And by the way, bro, the results will vary from coin to coin. Peace out.